Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting boundaries. You will work only in simulation and research, not on real aircraft. Install a high-fidelity F/A-18 simulator and connect accurate controls. This gives realistic feedback and prevents dangerous experimentation. Once done, download official or community-sourced checklists and the aircraft manual so you understand systems logic. Make sure to review avionics, fuel, and weapons system theory. Knowing why each system behaves a certain way avoids guesswork and keeps your practice focused and safe. You now configure the simulated jet for realistic behavior. Set fuel and payload to match mission profiles so handling matches expected limits. Next, perform a step-by-step cockpit startup, enable external power or APU, switch on fuel pumps, align inertial navigation, and verify avionics. This builds procedural memory. Once systems are nominal, practice flight regimes from taxi through takeoff and climb, then approach. Doing repeated, focused sessions helps you understand how system settings change handling and why pilots follow strict procedures. You move into advanced technique. Practice high angle of attack entries, transonic and supersonic transitions, and carrier or field recoveries within the simulator so you learn limits without risk. Record each flight and review telemetry to correlate stick, throttle, and trim inputs with aircraft response. This shows you why a control input produced a specific behavior. If something goes wrong, immediately pause, run the appropriate checklist, reset avionics or systems to known states, and consult manuals or an instructor to diagnose root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.